Okay, this is a continuation of the Bookfinder T7 plugin. Previously we did steps 1 and 2. Now I'm going to show you how to do steps 3 and 4. Okay, as you can see from steps 1 and 2 I have 2 queries, my author's queries and my book price query. Got those done. The next thing I need to do in step 3, it says create a query that displays the minimum price of all books. And we're going to save that query as min books price query. So this is how you would actually do that query. First thing we would do is we would go to create, and then from here we're going to go to query design, and I can either add on my tables or a few. I'm only really interested in the price of books and finding the lowest price. So I can go ahead and just add one table here, and I'm going to make that bigger, and I'm looking for price, so I'm going to double click on it so it's down here. Now what I want to do is I want to create a query that displays the minimum price of all books, and then I'm going to save it. So the way I'm going to do that is I've got price down here in my field name, and then I'm going to go click on totals. When you do that, you get a new row in here called totals, and it says group by. So what I want to do is I want to go change that to minimum or min, and I want to look at it that way. So now when I view my query in datasheet view, so I can see all my records, I see the smallest amount, the smallest book price there is $2.95. So that's how that one's done. Then I want to go ahead and save that query, and I'm going to go ahead and save it as mini book price query and get that saved. Okay, so I've got that one. The last one I want to do, step number 4, it asks for a query that updates the price of each book by subtracting 50 cents. So I want to have the price, the regular price, then I'm going to subtract 50 cents from that price, and I'm going to save that query as less 50 cents query. So to do that one, you can go ahead and click on the create query design. For this query I'm going to pick the books query because that has the price in it, and I could add other fields if I wanted to, but what I'm interested in is the price. So I'm going to double click on price, and what I want to do is I want to update all of my records that I have a price for. I want to subtract 50 cents from them. Okay, usually it's adding, but we're subtracting in this case. So I'm going to go click on update on my design tab, and I get this update too. So I want to update my price by 50 cents. So I have to type price in square brackets because it's part of my field, and minus 50 cents. Alright, so I've got it in there. It's going to update my prices. So now when I view my query, it's increased all of my prices by 50 cents. So that's how you do an update. Then you would save this as less 50 cents query. So what I'll be looking at when I grade your T7 is that you have 4 queries, and I'll see how you created your 4 queries. That's how you'll be graded on this assignment. Good luck!